Improve your affiliate marketing program. If you wanted to play baseball, you would need to learn the rules and to be coached by someone skilled in the game. The same holds true with affiliate marketing. You need to learn about the market and take wise advice from people who know how to succeed as an affiliate. Here are some tips you can follow. Even affiliates who know their way around marketing are going to have questions from time to time, so it is important to choose a service with a great customer support team. Avoid those companies that only offer support tickets and email options. Find a company offering telephone services and preferably live chat. Affiliates should never overreach and begin to market multiple products simultaneously, especially when they're starting out, but nothing says you cannot diversify your income stream. You can be involved with affiliate marketing on multiple levels that do not involve direct commissions, such as referrals. Have people sign up on your recommendation and you can earn big. At the least, you should annually perform focus groups with customers and site visitors. Focus groups give you a chance to see your audience and their physical reactions to your products or services. You may find that focus group members also have terrific new ideas that you would have never thought of on your own. If you want to make the most money from your affiliate marketing program, you should make sure that the contract you sign with one company does not restrict you from working with other companies' affiliate marketing programs as well. If you take the time to build a site that draws traffic, you should be allowed to maximize the revenue from the page. Your affiliate website should complement the products your retailer offers through your links. Positive feedback, additional descriptions, personal recommendations encourage visitors to click on the merchant's links and buy the products you promoted, which generates income and provides compensation for your work. Help your visitors to make the decision to buy your retailer's products. Many stay-at-home parents are using affiliate marketing to make extra money or as a second income. Blogging about products and getting their blog out to the public can really earn them a decent income. Having extra time between activities is just enough to make some extra cash. A great affiliate marketing tip is to never sacrifice your content in order to make earnings. Good content is the sole reason why visitors come to your site, and if visitors start to notice that you're placing too much emphasis on the ads, they'll quickly lose interest in your site. A great tip for affiliate marketing is to start promoting an affiliate product on Facebook. Facebook is great because it allows you to get in touch with millions of other people. It can be a very powerful marketing tool and you'll definitely generate interest by promoting your product or service on there. The tips you have just read in the video above were put together by individuals who have made it in affiliate marketing. These aren't simply some best guess platitudes pushed out for the purposes of filling paper. Make sure you follow these tips so that you can be successful as an affiliate marketer. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yelp ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.